Hi garden friends, it's Suzanne Wilkerson from Ambiance Garden Design. I'm here telling you that I've got spring fever, you might have it too, and my husband loves tomatoes. So we're getting them in the ground. Now, it's not even the last frost date here in North Carolina, which is April 15th. But to be sure that we're protecting them, if you're jumping the gun like me, get in here with your tomato. And I have these lovely heirlooms I've picked up from Mary Roberts, Windcrest Farms. And you're gonna come down here. Some of the essential tools you're gonna be needing are basically a catch stand. You're going to get this, you can get these online, and this is going to help with your tomato production, and it's going to keep the splash up where the disease comes from on your plants. So you're going to get in here, you're going to find your nice full sun spot, you're going to take your wonderful plant, you're going to remove the lower stems because the deeper you plant this tomato, the more root structure you're going to get, which is going to support the tomato during the season. You're gonna put that tomato into its hole. And I'm actually gonna dig that hole down, but for demonstration, I'm gonna make this a little quicker. Then you're gonna take your tomato tower. That's what this is called. And this is a clear or a red plastic container, and you're gonna fill all the chambers with water. You're gonna put that over top of that tomato, and that's gonna heat the soil and the tomato until we get past consistent days of 75 degrees, and that's when the tomato's really gonna take off. Then you also want to be sure you get one of these large galvanized stands, and this is a square stand. I like to get these at a good farm supply store, and you're going to basically put this up around the tomato because that tomato is going to get 6, 7, 8 feet tall. Make sure you amend your soil with good compost, and then I'm just going to take you real quickly over here and show you one that I've just completed so you can see a closer look. So you can see there's the cage. You can see the tomato stand, and you can look down inside here and you can see that planted tomato. So we've gone ahead and got this set up. I hope you're having fun in your garden, and if you've jumped the gun, be sure you do it this way so that you have success. Happy planting.